Is your file copy speed slow in Windows 11? I'll share 4 quick fixes to speed up your file transfers and improve performance. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the option and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter to execute it. netshint tcp set global auto-tuning level =, disabled. Now, try to transfer the file again. If it is not working, change it back to normal. netshint tcp set global auto-tuning level =, normal search for Turn Windows features on or off in the Windows search bar. Open the window. Uncheck the box for Remote Differential Compression API support and click on OK to save the settings. Restart the system. Search Services in Windows taskbar search box and then click on Gear-shaped services icon, coming in the search result. Now, double-click on Windows Search Service. Click on Stop to stop the service. Right-click on the USB drive and click on Properties. Now, click on Hardware tab now. Select the desired USB drive. Now, click on Properties. Now, click on Change Settings. Now, choose Better Performance. Also, check the option saying Also enable write caching in this device. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.